you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a Cricut mystery box to show you. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, a Cricut mystery box just arrived. I haven't done a Cricut mystery box in quite some time. I haven't seen them have them available. I check from time to time, but I never see one. Well, I got an email stating that they had a new Mossy spring mystery box, and it's normally $84.43. But if you were a subscriber exclusive to the Cricut, if you're a subscriber of theirs, then you can purchase the box. You couldn't if you weren't a subscriber, but then you could get it for $49.99, and I am a subscriber to Cricut, so I was able to gain access and purchase it for $49.99. If you know, you know, I love mystery, so when I saw mystery, I just bought it, and I'm like, cool, let's see what we get. So let's go ahead and dive in. So then down inside, oh, this is all different. Oh, okay. Maybe I should read a little bit more. Cricut Joy, what's that? Is that a different machine that maybe I don't have? And it does say right on the thing, Cricut Joy Mossy Spring Mystery Box. Unpredictably delightful, just like spring. Get our new mystery box now. Cutie included. Ooh, there's a cutie in here. Okay. And it says it's aqua green. It says right on the back, I see it. It says aqua green. So I'm definitely glad, because then I have a yellow one, but I don't have a teal one. So I'm super, super glad. And it says for Cricut Joy only, and I don't have a Cricut Joy. That must be a different type of a machine that came out after my maker. I'm gonna keep the cutie. I'll show you what's all in here in case you might have a Cricut Joy. I know I don't. I'm gonna see if I know anybody that might have a Cricut Joy. If not, maybe I'll just try to sell these products on eBay or something. I guess I should have read, but I didn't know what a Cricut Joy was, so I wouldn't have probably even have known anyways. So I probably still would have bought it even if I read the whole entire description. So down inside we have several. We'll go through these four first. So it says Cricut Joy Smart Iron On, and it's going to be silver, so it'll be that color right there. And this one is an iron on. They're so tiny, like it must be a small machine. So here's that one, and then the other one that looks like this, it says Smart Iron On as well, and it is a fluorescent green. Looks like it has like a little maybe glitter tone to it or something with the little sample right there. So there's the first two. Then we have an infusible ink. It says 2 Cricut mug press. That's one thing I was interested in getting, but there's so many different mugs, and I just really didn't want to get into that one. I really didn't, but I was intrigued. I was thinking about it, and I still might at some point. I just don't know, because I have so many mugs myself, so it'd be like I would be buying it just to do maybe gifts for other people, but not for myself. So I don't know, I haven't pulled the trigger on that one yet. If you guys have ever used the mug press or anything, let me know how you like it. But this is the infusible ink, and it's in color warm gray. Then there is the Vinyl Smart Removable. It says 1, and it is in color mint. That is a really, really pretty color though. I don't see why I maybe couldn't just put these on my own mat if I was doing something little and use them. I'm not sure. I'll look into that and see if I can. Maybe I'll try to just salvage them to use myself. If not, then like I said, I'll try to find something else to do with them. This says Smart Label Writable Vinyl Removable Cricut Joy, of course. So it looks like you'll have all these little labels like that you can do. It says there's 4 sheets down inside. So here's this. And then the last thing in here, other than the cutie, which that I'm keeping for sure, is the Smart Vinyl 3M. It says there's 1, and it's removable vinyl in the color Ocean. That is a really pretty blue though. Looks like someone tried to do like a backsplash or something with it. That's cool. But this is the removable vinyl. This one feels a whole lot thicker than like these. So I'm not sure if there's just more in here. Maybe there's just more in here. Let's see. This one says it's 5.5 inches by 10 feet And this one says 5.5 times 24 inches. So this one does have way more in it. And then let's get down to the cutie. It is a Cricut cutie. Oh my gosh. Yes. Look at how stinking adorable. So honestly, and his head moves. Honestly, this was definitely worth me not reading because I got this. I don't think you can really buy these by themselves. The other yellow one that I got came in a different mystery box at one point, but I didn't know they had all different colors. I just assumed they were all gonna be yellow. Oh my gosh, now I have two. I'm super excited about this. I'm super, super excited about this guy. So here is my little cutie, which that's not going anywhere. And then there's all these other products. Again, we have all of those rolls and the labels. That's what came in this box. Supposed to be a value of $84.43, and again I paid $49. So again, I am actually glad. I know this is not worth $50. It probably isn't, but I'm actually glad because I have this, and then I'll try to do something with this or try to reuse it, maybe putting it on my own mat, using it with my Cricut. I'm not quite sure, but here is everything that came in this mystery box. Okay, you guys, so again, that's everything that came inside of this spring Mossy, was it? The Mossy Spring Joy. See, that's why I was just Joy. I didn't think it was a Cricut Joy. I was just Mossy Spring Joy mystery box. Yes, and I just said pay. I just said pay. Just a little update. I wanted to let you guys know that I actually received this email here about this tropical mystery box. Looking at the description, it looks like it is actually for my maker. So I purchased it. It is on its way. So I will be showing you this one soon. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Comment down below. Let me know, do you have a Cricut? Do you have a Cricut Joy? Do you get any of the mystery boxes? What did you think of this mystery box? Let me know all the details down below. I would love to hear from you. If you would like to check out other companies, discount codes, or learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is shecrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something comes up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you do. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that is now everything for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.